Forget everything you thought you knew about mobile gaming. This isn't just a phone, it's a portable console in your pocket. The Asus ROG Phone 10 is here, and it's promising to be the fastest, most powerful gaming smartphone ever created. Can it truly replace your handheld console? With a revolutionary Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip and a display that refreshes at an insane 185 Hz, this phone is built for one thing: domination. We've pushed it to its limits and the results are shocking. Stick around because this review will change how you game on the go. Welcome back, gamers and tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the beast that is the Asus ROG Phone 10. Asus has consistently pushed boundaries in mobile gaming, and the ROG Phone 10 is no exception. With rumors of a groundbreaking processor, an ultra-responsive display, and an advanced cooling system, this phone aims to redefine what's possible on a smartphone. We've gathered all the authentic leaks and specs to give you a comprehensive look at this gaming powerhouse. Is this the ultimate mobile gaming machine you've been waiting for? Let's find out. Design and display, built for battle. The ROG Phone 10 boasts an unmistakable gaming aesthetic. Its aggressive lines, customizable ROG Vision AMOLED display on the back, and robust build quality screen performance. The display is a massive 6.82-inch AMOLED panel with an insane 185 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time, making every game feel incredibly fluid. With HDR10 Plus support and a peak brightness of 1600 nits, visuals are vibrant and immersive. The AirTrigger 7 ultrasonic sensors provide console-like control, giving you a competitive edge. This design isn't just for show, it's engineered for peak gaming performance and comfort during extended sessions. Performance and cooling. Under the hood, the ROG Phone 10 is a true powerhouse. It's rumored to feature the unreleased Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, 3nm, processor, paired with up to 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. This combination delivers unparalleled speed, making it the fastest Android phone on the market. But raw power isn't enough for gaming, sustained performance is key. Asus has integrated an advanced GameCool 10 cooling system, likely featuring a larger vapor chamber and improved graphite sheets. When combined with the optional AeroActive Cooler 10, it ensures the phone stays cool even during the most demanding gaming sessions, preventing thermal throttling and maintaining peak performance for hours. Camera and audio. While primarily a gaming phone, the ROG Phone 10 doesn't compromise on other essentials. It's expected to feature a versatile camera setup, including a 50MP main sensor with OIS, a 13MP ultra-wide, and a 5MP macro lens. The front-facing camera is rumored to be a 32MP sensor, perfect for high-quality streaming and video calls. Audio is a standout feature, with dual front-facing stereo speakers delivering immersive sound, enhanced by Dirac HD sound and multiple microphones for crystal-clear communication during intense gaming sessions. This ensures you're not just seeing the game but hearing every detail. Battery and charging. For a gaming phone, battery life is paramount. The ROG Phone 10 is expected to pack a massive 6,500 mAh battery, a significant upgrade from previous generations, ensuring extended gaming sessions without interruption. It will likely support 65W HyperCharge fast charging, allowing you to go from 0 to 100% in under 40 minutes. Additionally, features like bypass charging, powering the phone directly without charging the battery, will help preserve battery health during long gaming marathons. This combination of a huge battery and rapid charging makes the ROG Phone 10 a true endurance champion, ready for any challenge. The Asus ROG Phone 10 is shaping up to be an absolute monster, purpose-built for serious mobile gamers. With its rumored Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, a stunning 185 Hz display, advanced cooling and a colossal 6,500 mAh battery, it's designed to deliver an unparalleled gaming experience. While it might not be for everyone, for those who demand the best in mobile gaming, the ROG Phone 10 is poised to be the undisputed champion. If you're looking to dominate leaderboards and experience console-quality gaming on the go, this is the phone to watch out for. It's more than just a phone, it's a statement.